This is the Kettlebell by Gerber. The Kettlebell offers a surprising amount of utility in a compact format. The dual choil offers superior grip and control. 7CR stainless steel is tough, holds an edge, and is corrosion resistant. The Kettlebell is available in anodized gray and green. Dual thumb studs offer left or right hand deploy. The frame lock offers secure lockup and is easy to close. The pocket clip offers tip-up blade position for confident carry. Also included is a lanyard hole. The Kettlebell offers the EDC user modern design and strong utility in a compact format.
This is the SCHRADE SCHA-5 Assisted Opening Knife, one of 6 models in the SCHA-5 series, with a 3.5-inch fine-edged blade formed from tough, bead blast finished AUS-8 high-carbon stainless steel. The SCHA-5 can be quickly and easily brought into action by use of the Magic Spring Assist. Fashioned for everyday carry and tactical use, the knife opens with either hand by sliding the thumb safety to the open position, exposing the red dot indicator, and then rotating the finger actuator, or by utilizing the ambidextrous thumb knobs. The drop point blade forms a strong tip ready to pierce, and the razor-sharp fine edge is ideal for chopping, cutting, and slicing. The blade is secured while open by use of a liner lock mechanism. To store the blade, simply move the liner lock to the side and rotate the blade into the weather-resistant black aluminum handle. Once fully closed, engage the safety lock by sliding the safety forward, covering the red dot indicator. When correctly engaged, the safety will prevent the knife from opening until called into action. The handle's unique angular design and textured TPR topside insert provides a solid grip for your hand, and the underside finger notch increases control. Thread cordage through the lanyard hole at the base of the handle to attach the knife to your wrist for added security. Use the tough pocket clip to keep the SCHA-5 ready for use at a moment's notice. Designed for rapid one-handed opening, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the SCHRADE SCHA-5 Assisted Opening Knife. Find this knife online or at your favorite local retailer. Available SCHA-5 models are the SCHA-5 with bead blast finish, SCHA-5S with bead blast finish and partially serrated edge, SCHA-5B with black finish, and SCHA-5BS with black partially serrated edge, SCHA-5BR with brown handle and black blade, and SCHA-5BRS with brown handle and black partially serrated blade. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, visit SCHRADE.com.
The award-winning Para 3 Lightweight is rapidly redefining the state-of-the-art in ultralight cutting tools. For tactical end users who prefer subdued blade finishes, this revolutionary design is now also available with a stealthy black diamond-like carbon coating. Its plain edge or spider edge blade is full flat ground from CTS BD1N stainless steel and supported by a streamlined version of SPYDERCO's patented compression lock mechanism. To complement the blade's finish, the screws and reversible deep pocket carry clip on its injection molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle also sport a non-reflective black coating.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Lucas Burnley designed SQUID. This is a beautiful little knife designed as an EDC folder. It is smaller, compact. Lucas designed it as kind of like the knife version of a compact pistol. You can see some of those lines and different feel there. It is a smaller knife, but I've been carrying one for 2 weeks and I really enjoy it, really love it. Here are some of the specs on it. The overall length on it is 5.7 inches. The blade length is 2.1 inches, so it's under that 3 magic number there, so you can carry it in places where 3-inch blades, over 3-inch blades are illegal. You can see SQUID Burnley design on the one side. It's got an ambidextrous thumb stud for easy left or right-handed opening. I like the jimping on the spine there. The closing on this knife, it is a frame lock. You can see, just push over there and pull the blade down to close it. I love the black stonewash. So basically we put a black coating on there and then tumble it with a bunch of stones to give it that look and feel. The pocket clip is deep carry, tip up carry only. Here's a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. Here's a shot of it in my hand. Now, some people might complain this is a small knife. It's going to be good for smaller hands. At the same time though, there is a lanyard hole there, so you can attach your own lanyard, put a skull bead or whatever bead on there. It's going to give you a lot more real estate there in the hand. It comes in a satin version as well, satin stonewash I should say. They're fun to flick and just play with. Again, a smaller knife. The weight on it is 3.4 ounces. The handles are stainless steel. Designed by Lucas Burnley in New Mexico. Let me show you one shot of it against this ruler right here to give you an idea of how big it is. Very great knife for EDC, everyday carry, and just a great little pocket knife designed by Lucas Burnley. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
Oh,